Hi, this is Chi from Deepling, a channel that makes Chinese easy. If you're new here, this is a place where you can learn Chinese as a beginner as easily as possible and for free. – 2020 was a hard year for a lot of people, and I was one of them. But what hit me the most, among others, is the misunderstanding of China and the Chinese people. As a Chinese living abroad, I suffer from it. Although I've been designing Chinese courses for 7 years now, I've never felt such a strong calling like 2020 did to me. So I decided to open a YouTube channel and offer a new Chinese course in English for free, because I've made it my mission to make Chinese as easy as possible and as available as possible for everyone who wants to learn Chinese, so that I would bring more understanding to this world than misunderstanding. Another thing that's worth mentioning is when we talk about learning languages, and I've done this for several times, there is one thing that really bothered me. Teachers and the teaching material both treat me like a little child, and I really hate that because I am an adult, a well-educated, smart adult. I do not need to learn a language like a little kid anymore. So this is something that will not happen here as well. I'm going to treat you like an adult, and this course is for adults only, which means I'm more like your friend who happens to know something that you are not very good at yet. So I have some experience. I want to tell you what to do and what not to do, how to do and how not to do. However, it's your decision if you want to follow, and I'm not going to force you to do anything that you don't like to. So if this concept sounds like something that you might like, and of course, if you happen to want to learn Chinese, please subscribe and follow me so that you can learn all the lessons that I publish every week for free.